Hi everyone. In this video, we will understand how Lambda triggers work with AWS Cognito, and we will use PreSignUp Lambda trigger to verify domain name of email during registration. Let's create a user pool and go to extensions. So in the extensions, we can add Lambda triggers or Lambda functions at different stage of user management lifecycle and take some actions. For example, if I add Lambda trigger, I can add Lambda trigger during sign up, like before actual sign up is done, after confirmation, and for migration. Similarly, I can trigger Lambda functions during authentication. For now, let's create a pre-sign up Lambda trigger. I will go to app clients, and here under login pages, right now if I go and create account, any email can be used here. So I want to restrict I want to restrict emails to only my domain like trixsumo.com or example.com. So select sign up, select pre-sign up trigger. Let's create a new Lambda function. Create function, call it Cognito pre-sign up trigger, or let's call it Cognito trigger, and create new role, create function. Now, when some user try to create account, this function will be executed, and based on response from this function, sign up will be successful or not. So for example, right now I will not do anything here, and let's just do the integration. Select Cognito trigger function and add Lambda trigger. Let's go and create an account. And here I am seeing error that unrecognizable Lambda output, because we are just we have not touched code of Lambda function, and it's returning something which Cognito is not able to identify. So let's see what can be done. Here we have event as a parameter to this Lambda function, and this event will contain information regarding email, and I have log from one of previous functions. It looks something like this. This is the event object which we will receive in Lambda function. It contains user pool ID, and it contains email under request.user attributes. Also, we have documentation here for Lambda function triggers, and there is documentation for all triggers. You can check out. For now, let's just see this pre-sign up trigger. So these are the request parameters to the trigger, and in function we can modify these parameters. For example, if I want user to auto confirm, then I can just set auto verify email as true. Similarly, auto verify phone as false, and then return the event. And if there is some error, I can just throw the error, and that error we will see here. Let's modify code of our Lambda function. So first, let's add allowed domain names, and then read email from event.user attributes, and also split email and read domain name. So it will split from at the rate, means at this point. So we will have this domain name available in this domain, and then we can check if this domain is one of these whitelisted values or not. If it is not, then we can throw this error, else we can just return the event like this. And then after making changes, deploy, and function is deployed successfully. Let's go back to our sign up page and try to sign up. This time I am seeing different error. It says pre-sign up failed with error, email domain gmail.com is not allowed. This is the same error which we send from here. Now let's try @pixelmo.com, and it will work without any problem. I can take the code and confirm the account, but since I do not have this email, that's why I can't enter. But this is the flow, and that's how we can use Lambda functions as a trigger or as extension with user tools.